Good morning, everyone. My name is Andre, and I'm the President and CEO of Sports Plus. And I want to welcome you all to the celebration of today's signing between our organization and the MPBL. Unang-una, gusto namin magpasalamat sa ating partners from the Maharlika Pilipinas Basketball League, sa ating stakeholders, members of the media, at sa lahat ng mga guests na narito ngayon. Maraming salamat po sa pagkaroon. This partnership is a big step for Sports Plus as we come on board as the official title partner of the MPBLs for season 2026. Proud kami na suportahan ng MPBL, one of the fastest rising basketball league sa bansa. Marami kaming inihanda para sa ating mga teams at para sa mga fans ng league. But first, just a little introduction of who we are. Sports Plus is the country's premier sports book, fully licensed and regulated by PAGCOR, and the official gaming partner of the Philippine Olympic Committee. Those affiliations reflects our commitment to operating with integrity, transparency, and accountability. Higit sa lahat, naniniwala ang Sports Plus sa sports development dito sa Pilipinas, from grassroots hanggang professional level. Gusto namin tumulong, gumawa ng mas maraming opportunities for our athletes, palakasin palalo ang basketball community sa bansa, at pag-contribute sa mas sustainable na sports ecosystem. But the goal of this particular partnership is clear: to help elevate one of the country's fastest rising basketball league by contributing in 3 key areas. First, supporting a high level of basketball competition, encouraging standards that push teams and players to perform at their best. Second, delivering better fan interaction and engagement, creating a more dynamic and connected experience for supporters both inside and outside the arena. And third, strengthening both on-ground presence and digital visibility to expand reach and grow the league's audience nationwide. For us, this is a collaboration rooted in the shared ambition and long-term vision. We believe that innovation, integrity, and passion for the game comes together. Mas lalo nating maitaguyod ang Philippine basketball. Maraming salamat sa MPBL leadership for trusting Sports Plus. We are excited to work closely with you throughout the 2026 season and beyond. Exciting ang next chapter nito for Sports Plus. Maraming salamat, enjoy the event, at magandang umaga po ulit sa inyo lahat.
There are the man leading the charge for the league. Their hardworking commissioner is with us, MPBL Commissioner Emerson Oreta.
To our founder, Boss Manny Pacquiao. To our partners from Sports Plus, Mr. Andre Uy, our media friends, and everyone present here. Today, we welcome Sports Plus as a partner of MPBL for this season. We look forward to working together to strengthen the league and enhance the overall experience for our teams and fans. We share the same commitment to professionalism, integrity, and growing the game the right way. We are hopeful that this partnership will be productive, meaningful, and beneficial for both MPBL and Sports Plus. We are all excited coming this season 8, and it is all for you. Thank you very much, and good morning again.
Maraming salamat, Commissioner Emerson Oreta. Please name also our friends from Sports Plus. Can we invite back, please, Mr. Andre Uy, President and CEO of Sports Plus. We'd also like to invite MPBL, Mr. Manny Pacquiao, to join us on stage. Next is Chief Legal Counsel for MPBL, Attorney Glenn Gacal. Photographer will be right at center. So if you may please, look Pacquiao.
Good morning, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank God for this another opportunity na magkasama tayo at ma-receive natin ang favor and blessings from the Lord. To our Sports Plus President and CEO, Andre Oy, APBL Commissioner Person Orita, APBL team owners, and representatives, players, and media friends. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Today is more than a signing ceremony. Today, something bigger is coming for APBL. When we started the Maharlika Pilipinas Basketball League, the vision was simple. Bring professional basketball closer to the Filipino people, to the cities and province that live and breathe the game. Now, we take that vision to the next level. This partnership marks a new era for APBL. We are not just growing in numbers, we are growing in structure, in systems, and in scale. We are building a league that is stronger, more organized, and ready for the future. We are powered by partnership. Together with Sports Plus, we combine purpose and performance. This is about collaboration, about aligning brands that believe in excellence, integrity, and nationwide impact. Two faces coming together to elevate the game. As founder and chairman, I believe this is a defining moment, not just for APBL but for Philippine basketball. Thank you to everyone who believes in our mission. The work continues, the vision gets bigger, and the best is yet to come. And we're trying to do our best na mas mapaganda pa, mas mapalisin pa natin, especially yung mga suspected game fixing na mga nangyayari. And I want everyone, lahat ng mga players, mga teams, coaches, na as a founder of APBL, nandito ako lagi nakabantay para pangalagaan yung integridad, pangalan ng APBL, ng ating liga. Ayoko ng lahat kong sinasabi sa lahat. I always say this. I'm gonna say it again today, na huwag nyo na pasukan yung mga game fixing na yan. Masisira lang yung buhay nyo. Kayo lang ginagamit ng mga nagsisindikato dyan. Pwede naman tayong maglaro ng parehas, ipakita natin sa bayan, and then pangalawa, masisira din yung integridad ninyo ng mga players. Siyempre, nagtatrabaho kayo, nagsisikap kayo for your family, masuportahan yung pamilya ninyo. And this is the only league na 1 year, almost 1 year yung league. No, ang trabaho na opportunity na nabibigay sa lahat eh napakaganda. And I'm hoping na lahat tayo magtutulungan. Kung sino man yung gustong pumasok o mag-alok ng mga game fixing na yan, huwag kayong matakot isumbong sa amin. Kahit pa sikreto lang, hindi naman namin sasabihin na kayo nasumbong. Kami na bahala doon. No? Kami na bahala mag-take action for that mga illegal na yan. Yung game fixing na yan. So, sana magtulungan tayong lahat. Yun yung sinisikap natin para yung excitement na naibigay natin sa taong bayan, yung laro na talagang gusto ng taong bayan na makita, ay makikita nila sa bawat game, sa bawat araw na bawat team na nagkukunan na nagbibigay ng kasiyahan sa ating mga Pilipino. So, I wanna say thank you to all the team owners, thank you to all the team team manager, coaches, players, sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta at pagtangkilik sa MPBL. Ang MPBL, manatiling MPBL at patuloy ang ating vision para mapalaki pa at mapalawak pa ang MPBL. Not only here in the Philippines, but planning to expand it to Asia or international. God bless.